former corrections officer facing a murder charge for allegedly killing his girlfriend pleaded guilty today. Russell Holt was convicted and sentenced for voluntary manslaughter in the shooting death of Jessica Wolf last March.
And 41 NBC's Amanda Castro was in court this morning. She tells us Wolf's family is not happy with the decision and believes justice was not served.
Today was supposed to be the first day of jury selection, but instead the whole case came to an end in less than 1 hour. Russell Holt pleaded guilty to voluntary manslaughter, a lesser charge with a lesser sentence. Jessica's family and co-workers at the Houston County District Attorney's Office say Holt got a sweet deal and believe the man who took her life is getting off easy.
He took everything away from us.
On March 18, 2012, the day former corrections officer Russell Holt is accused of shooting and killing his girlfriend, Jessica Wolf. Her family, friends, and co-workers packed this Houston County courtroom to sit on what was supposed to be the first day of Holt's murder trial.
It's a shame that we all thought we were going to the jury and then at the last minute this was sprung on us.
A plea deal, dropping the malice and felony murder charges against Holt. Instead, he pleaded guilty to voluntary manslaughter and faces 20 years in prison.
I had to make a decision based upon the evidence and where I thought the jury would land on a case. And I made that decision after weighing all the evidence.
Evidence like no history of violence in Holt and Wolf's relationship, plus the fact that alcohol was involved. Holt's lawyer believes if the case had gone to trial, the jury would have come back with the same decision.
We both knew that there was a high likelihood that a jury would reach a verdict of voluntary manslaughter. I was able to present enough of my defense case to him to persuade him that I had a good case that might come out that way.
Despite those facts, Jessica's family and co-workers in the Houston County District Attorney's Office believe Holt got off easy.
He got scared, is my opinion, and my opinion only. He knew he could plead for a lesser sentence and get 20 years. He doesn't deserve that. He deserves a life in prison.
He is not now, nor will he ever be, legally labeled a murderer. Something many of us believe in our hearts that he is.
Again, Holt is facing 20 years in prison and 5 years of probation for having a gun while committing a crime. Holt didn't speak during the hearing, but his lawyer read a family statement saying they loved Jessica, they're grieving the loss of a possible future daughter-in-law, and called this incident a tragedy.